Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu, your CAD resource. In today's video, we're looking at part 2 of 2 videos covering the topic, how to construct a similar triangle given a given triangle. In the previous video, we started the construction and we'll be finishing the drawing today. So we'll be starting the video now. We'll now be B1. I'm going to move the B closer to the original triangle. So I'm going to move the B, enter. Gonna go move, click here, enter. Gonna turn off object snap. Gonna move it, put it right here. Right? So this point will be B1. So I'm gonna go single line text. This point here, the height will be 4, rotational angle 0. This will be B1. Alright? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna copy this line over here by using an arc. So I'm gonna go arc, center, start, and I need to turn on object snap. Center at B, radius 12, enter. All right. I'm going to mark an arc from this point to there. So I'm going to go arc, intersection to this point. I'm going to mark an arc. I'm going to measure that arc. This is what I did below. So I'm going to measure this arc. There it is. And I put it right here. All right. So it's a little bit, all right. So this is 13.61. What was this radius again? Well, let me measure it. So this radius was 12, right? So this is 12. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark an arc from B1 with the radius equal to 12. So center at B, this radius would be 12. What I'm going to do now, from this intersection right here, I'm going to mark an arc which is equal to 13.61. So I'm going to go arc. So intersection would be here. This radius would be 13.61. Enter. All right, so what I did, I copied the angle, right? Now, what I need to do is draw this angle here. Good, enter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to extend this line, all right? So I'm going to draw a random line here. Enter, and I'm going to type EX, shortcut for extend. I'm going to click on this line. Good, there it is. Enter. I'm going to delete this line. It's not part of the construction, right? I'm going to type EX, shortcut for extend. I'm going to extend this line. This line, there it is. Enter. So this will be the construction of the similar triangle to the original triangle ABC, giving a scale factor of 6 divided by 5. I'm going to go up to the layer properties manager. I'm going to make a new layer called outline. Enter. And I'm going to change the line width to 0.3. Going to press OK. Going to close this. All right, so I'm going to break this line at C1. I need to label this point C1. So I'm going to turn off object snap. The starting point will be here. The height will be 4, rotation angle 0. This would be C1. All right. I'm going to move it away from the line. Enter. All right. So I'm going to go to the modify tab and I'm going to select break. So I'm going to click this line and then I'm going to turn on snap, object snap, sorry. I'm going to click right here. All right. So when I click on this line, now this is a different line. So I'm going to select this line, this line, this line, and I'm going to put it on the outline layer, and then it will be darker. All right. So I need to break this line also. So I'm going to go to modify, break. So I'm going to click on this line. I'm going to click this intersection, enter. So when I click on this line, I can join it to the AB line. So let me do that. Modify, join. Here's a join command. So I can click this line, press enter. And then when I click on it, see it's one line. And then I can put it on the outline. All right. So let us label the drawing now. So we're going to go text, multi-line text. I'm going to write the height is 4. Okay. To construct a similar triangle to a given triangle ABC with its side equal to 6 divided by 5 of the of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC given the scale factor of 6 divided by 5, right? Now, the 6 divided by 5, it would have given an enlarged figure just like what we have here, all right? Now, I'm going to move the C and the C1, so it's better. So I'm going to go come here, enter. I'm going to turn off object snap. I'm going to move it here. I'm going to move the C1, enter. I'm going to put it right there. All right, and I'm going to break this line, right? So I'm going to go break. So I'm going to click this arc. I'm going to click here. I'm going to turn on object snap. I'm going to click here, enter. So when I click on this arc, there are 2 arcs, so I can delete that extra piece. What we're going to do now, we're going to put the dimensions on the drawing, okay? So I'm going to move this D up. And put it right here, and then I'm going to break the line. So I'm going to go to, modify, going to go to break, going to click on this line, going to turn on object snap, and we're going to click right there. All right. So if you click on this line, it was too tall, you're going to delete it. All right, so good. So I'm going to put on the dimensions. I'm going to put on the base first. That is 8.2. I'm going to center the drawing. 8.27. I'm going to go to dim style, D for the shortcut for dim style. I'm going to go to modify. I'm going to go to primary units. Under the precision, I'm going to put 0. And press OK. Going to close. And there it is, 81. All right. So I'm going to measure align. I'm going to align. I'm going to click, going to turn, the object snap is on. So I'm going to click here. Click here. That's 70. Then I'm going to measure C to B. That's 50. Right, so this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we constructed a similar triangle to the given triangle ABC, and the scale factor was 6 to 5. In the next video, I'll be constructing a similar triangle, and the scale factor will be 3 to 5. So it'll be a reduction drawing. All right. So please take care until then. Bye. We have come to the end of part 2 of 2 videos covering the topic, how to construct a similar triangle to a given triangle. Please take care until then, and in the next video, we'll be looking at the properties of a similar triangle. So please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.